Hello guys and welcome back to Craze. So I'm back at Evo Customs right now sitting in a Porsche Cayenne which is here for some crazy headlamp upgrades. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. So guys, starting up with, this is a 2009 Porsche Cayenne. I know it's almost 11 years old and it's pretty old, and this particular car has done 95,000 kilometers, but still that beast of an engine has a lot of power, which it's a maniac of a car, guys. But anyways, leaving the engine part, now coming to the main topic. This is gonna be getting some headlamp upgrade, a new set of projectors, as well as some visual modifications in order to make the headlamp look good. If I'm not wrong, the headlamp might get smoked or something like that. The discussion is still going on. Once it's finalized, I'll be letting you guys know everything. So let's move inside the store and see what process is going to be done and what's going to be installed. So let's go. So guys, this is the Porsche Cayenne, which is in for some headlamp upgrades. As you guys can see, the headlamp is kind of gloomy, the reflectors are kind of burned out. So the left side headlamp is kind of dimming down, whereas the right side headlamp is completely turned off. In fact, there's no light through from it, so the projector lens is gone. So new projector bison lenses are going to be installed on both the headlamps. Now guys, a quick update is even a Mercedes is here, 7 series with a 730 LD. So this is also here for some headlamp upgrades, so I'll try making a video on that as well. So for now, let's get back to the Porsche. So now the headlamps are out from the vehicle and now on the workbench. The technicians use professional tools and skill in order to open up the reflector housing. On a closer look, it was pretty much evident that the life of the projectors are done, and now it's been replaced with a bison projectors with a 6000 Kelvin 35 watt fast bright HID with TRL rings. So guys, now the headlamps are back onto the vehicle and it looks gorgeous. The complete headlamp assembly is being smoke black. This is the before and after. The transformation of the headlamp makes the Cayenne look way beautiful than before. Now let's move to the final outcome. So guys, this is the final outcome of the headlamp. The through is wide and long. No error codes on the instrument cluster, and all the factory options for the headlamp works perfectly fine. Now guys, there's a lot of misconception on HID and projectors. Many out in the market fool customers with pictures of the outcome in a dark road where there's no oncoming traffic. This is an example of a stock Innova headlamp with upgraded H4 bulbs in a dark road. So the point here is any basic upgrade will make a dark road look bright. But the bitter truth is when there's an oncoming traffic with bright light, then you will know the true outcome. So in this clip, I have shown you the outcome of the Cayenne's upgraded projectors with oncoming traffic to show you guys the true outcome of the headlamp. This particular setup has turned out to be perfect. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please consider hitting that like button. If you haven't subscribed, do consider subscribing, as more interesting videos on automobiles will be out soon. And if you guys have any queries or suggestions, just comment down the comment section and I'll make sure I'll reply to it. See you guys in the next video.